Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a soft microfiber cloth. Ensure you are working on a flat, static-free surface to avoid damaging your device. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows for it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair process. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized to ensure you can replace them later without confusion. If you are unsure about the process or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid breaking any clips. After removing the back panel, locate the video connector, which is typically situated near the graphics card. Before proceeding, check for any dust or debris around the connector. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the area gently. A clean connection can solve many video issues without further intervention. Now, inspect the video connector for any physical damage. If you see bent pins or corrosion, this could be the source of your problem. In such cases, it may be necessary to replace the connector. If you feel uncomfortable performing this repair, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. It's convenient and ensures your device receives professional care. Assuming the connector appears intact, carefully reattach it. Ensure that it clicks into place securely. If you have any doubts about the connection, you can always request a quote before repair from our services, ensuring you know what to expect. After reconnecting, replace the back panel, pressing it down firmly to secure it. Reinsert all screws to ensure the panel is tightly closed. This step is essential, as loose panels can lead to overheating or further issues. Finally, power on your device and check if the video output is functioning correctly. If the problem persists, it may indicate a deeper hardware issue that requires professional attention. Remember, with our service, there are no calls or travel needed. You can have your laptop diagnosed and repaired without leaving your home. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and repair common video connector issues on your Lenovo IdeaPad. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.